Hey guys, here's another group break of 1112 artifacts. Here's the serial code as per the description. NE959-01795.
Yep. Alright. Good luck to everybody. Alright, pack number 1. I see decoy in there. A little tricky to open. Sorry about that. Parise base. Clark Gillies hockey legend out of 999 for New York Islanders. Decoy, base, and Stamkos base. That might do a little talking now.
Base.
I see something in here.
We've got a rookie for the Send. I feel like we've got this guy before.
Yeah, we got his parallel.
Oh yeah, we just got his parallel. 700 out of 999 of Colin Greening. Decoy, base.
It's a little more organized in here. Alright, pack number 3. Oh, I see it hidden here. Alright, so I'm just... Oh, this is a nice one. I just want to know how to make the suspense. Base.
Base. And here's a green card. It looks like Sagan. Bergeron.
Idiot.
Bergeron out of 55. Oh, it's a dual patch.
65.
Nice. Is that 65?
Yep.
It's not bad.
Bergeron, nice patch.
Easy on the corners. It's 2 colors.
What corners? I'm not doing anything. Everly base. Taze base. Mike can't read, can he? Maybe we should send him back to grade school.
Gretzky base. Oh, this is not bad. We got a 100 tandem.
225 out of 225. Nice. Last one pick made. Nice hit for Ottawa. It's a nice hit. Very nice. Looks like me and Mike are going to spoil later.
Of Roberto Luongo.
So that's a nice hit for Ottawa. Before it was a hit for Boston, it was Bergeron.
Base.
I see an Autofax in here.
Oh, here's an Autofax. Someone good, please.
Oh, looks like a dust.
Autofax of
Jerome Samson. Don't even know this guy. And he's got a very terrible autograph.
That is a very poor autograph.
Come on, buddy, pick it up. You never make NHL like that. 3 bases. Another decoy in here. Poso, Hillock, and so. Oh, that's cool. Look at this. 2 Hillocks. One of them was a star. I have 999, decoy, and base. Next pack. 3 packs after this one left. Decoy in here. Base. And out of 135, another Frozen Artifacts of James Van Riemsdyk.
Like that guy?
What are you flicking me for? What's your issue? Don't do that again. Don't do that again.
Base. We got a star of Rick Nash. 87 out of 99. It's emerald or green.
Columbus. 2 packs left. And we still haven't gotten.
We're still missing
no.
a rookie, I think.
No, we have everything.
Alright, so there's our rookie, Ben Holmstrom, out of 999. Number 883 for the Philadelphia Flyers. And a few more bases.
Last pack. So yeah, the wild card in here.
Oh yeah, this is going to be our redemption.
Base. Decoy.
And this is going to be a wild card. Cool.
It's a pretty cool wild card. And a base of Guillaume Latendresse. Alright, thanks everybody for participating in this break, and see you guys again.